What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing an oil change on the high country on the tow rig. Shit, she is right there. Normally I take it to go get it done, but today, I'm gonna do it for content purposes. I'm gonna be wearing my GoPro and I guess do a little POV oil change. So yeah, I'm gonna walk you out through how I do it. Simple oil change, but probably somebody needs help doing it. So I guess if you learn from this video, that's what's up. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you how I do it, and then yeah, I'm finna jack it up right now and get to doing it. It shouldn't take more than like 10 minutes, but yeah, I'll see y'all boys right now. I'm finna mount up the GoPro, and then we get going with the footage. Alright, yeah, so we got the GoPro mounted. I'm finna take my jack out the truck. See, I got a mess in here from when I went to Minnesota. I jacked the truck up down the middle. So right behind this plastic, it's like the little subframe thingy. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll show you right now. Alright, yeah, so the truck's already up on the jack. You guys can see. I don't think I'm gonna put jack stands because the tires are still on the ground, and I fit down there even without the jack. Because with these jack stands, you gotta lift up the truck high as fuck, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna just make sure it's like grabbed on right, and then I'm gonna get to drain the oil. As you guys see, I got the GoPro on, so I'll see you right now. Alright, y'all, so for the socket size, it says a size 15. So let's see. Yeah, right here I'm gonna grab this wrench right here. What else? I'm gonna grab this thing right there for the oil filter, just in case. And then I have the oil pan down here. Take this to the truck. Damn, I hope this shit don't overfill because it feels full. And then finna pop the hood. And I need to take the little shit. I'm too short for that. Use this one. I had just cleaned this garage and it's now a mess. What else do I need? I think that's about it. You could use something to lay down on with, but I don't really care. Yeah, use this. What you want to do, take this off. Supposedly it just lets it flow down nicely. Take it off, just put it somewhere. What else? And that's it. Just go ahead. Let's get underneath the truck. Alright, y'all, we might have some trouble because the drain plug is right here, but the drain pan is hitting on a jack. So I might need to take the jack out and put it in the front somewhere. But it's cause yeah, it's hitting right here, and if I drain it, it's gonna go everywhere. Alright, yeah, so I had to move the jack a little bit, but shit, hopefully y'all can see good. I'm finna take this 15. It's a 15. Just take this bitch. So yeah, so all you need is a 15. So yeah, here you go. Let me move my phone just in case how this shit flows. Sometimes you can take off the filters by hand, and sometimes you can't. That's why I bought the little tool. It's coming out. There you go. That shit was black, bro. Look at that hoe. Shit looks good though. That shit was black as hell. Damn. I just hope this shit don't get fooled, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to take this shit off. But you just let this drain. I just hope this drain pan has enough space, bro, for this oil. Cause normally every time I change my oil, I dump it out into the bottle I got it with. Let me try to check this filter out real quick. We just slowly turn this around. Oh shit. Let me see. This shit's going that way. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Fuck. Well, that's no good. I fucking knew that shit was gonna happen too. I'll clean it up right now. Either way, it's raining, so it's not gonna stick right away. I just unscrew these. I don't care if I get dirty, to be honest. Damn. Just screw that shit on. There we go. I'm gonna go wash my hands while this shit drains all the way. Let me get some soap. Oh shit. It's raining fucking hard. Hope the camera ain't get wet, but alright, yeah, it started raining on me. So I'm gonna try to go hurry up. I'm gonna have the GoPro on still, so I'll catch it right now. I just gotta put the drain plug up back in and put the new filter in, so I'll see it right now. Gotta go to the single cab. Get the oil filter somewhere in here. Oh, right here. Get the oil filter. Grab some napkins. Oh look, it stopped raining. Hell yeah. W's in the chat. W's in the chat, yeah. Put that there for now. Good thing it started raining. That way the oil cleans up right now. So I'm gonna clean off whatever mess it made. Grab some of that oil. Just put it around the little seal. And then put it over yonder. I had to get the flam because that's all they had, but it wasn't the cheap flam. Just hand tighten that motherfucker. I'm looking at we put the drain plug on. I'm gonna clean it. Clean this. Put this on. I hope you guys can see, but then we'll just grab the little wrench, tighten it up a little bit. One. You don't want to tighten it too much either, cause there you go. Try to give this one more tight. Went in a little bit more. Alright, that's good. That's good. Yep. Check this out. Take the tools out. So I need to spray all that down when I get out. I'm gonna bring the water hose over here and spray all that shit down. Let me go ahead and bring my camera and mount it over here so y'all can see. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna dump this oil. The kind of oil I use is this one. This is Castro Edge 020, full synthetic, and it's the dick saws or whatever you call it. This is what it says on the cap that we need. So yeah, this one takes 8 quarts, so I'm gonna put a whole one and 3 quarts of the other one. So yeah, let's get to it. Just let it flow. You guys can see. And then right now, I'm gonna check for leakages. Make sure everything's nice and sealed. Everything went in. That's 5 quarts. Keep in mind, this one takes 8 quarts, so we need to put 3 quarts from this one. So this one, you gotta like put some, then check it. But it tells you right here. I don't know, you guys can see right here. It tells you. So I'm gonna stop. Right now it is at 5. 3 quarts. I'm gonna stop right here where it says 2 quarts. All right, just dump it slowly. You do not want to overfill your oil. So just pour some. It's at 2.5 quarts, so we need half more. Remember, it's better to go slow than put more, because you could always add more, but it's gonna be a pain to take some off. It needs a little more. Alright, y'all, let me show y'all. Look at this. I left it right at the 2 quart mark. As you guys can see, it's a little bit over, but I'm gonna check the oil level right now, and I'll probably add a little more. It's showing it needs a little bit more, so I'm gonna go ahead and dump in a little bit more. I was told when I did the oil change that it needs a little bit more. Sometimes it takes 8 quarts exactly, sometimes it takes more than that, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more. Check it more time. Alright, y'all, so I don't know if you guys can see, but that's full right there. Let me try to see if we can focus. But the dipstick is reading full, it's reading good. So the oil change is good. Alright guys, so you guys can see the oil level is good. Just clean up after. If you made any mess, like me, the drain pan was all fucked up, so yeah. Finna spray that down real quick. I just got a call that I need to get a tow, so the truck has fresh new oil. So now we don't gotta wait for about 7,000 miles, but I do it every like 3,000 miles, because like I told y'all, I haul a lot of heavy shit, so I don't want my truck fucking up. So yeah, keep y'all updated right now. Let me clean up.